welcome, trolls. First sees all.
The planes right now, that's what you're looking at. This was taken a couple of moments ago. These are the planes that are flying around all over the world. There are flights leaving Italy that are landing in Britain when there's lockdown and no ban, or sort of a ban on the flight. And this is what I'm not understanding. But something's telling me these are not all officials or important people. Thousands of planes and many thousands of people flying right now over the countries that are on lockdown and going to and from these countries. You know, they're basically flying over the contaminated areas. I'm just saying it. It's not anything, or it's not even a rumor I'm starting. It's the truth. This is USA right now. We see the line going to the Bahamas, no jokes, Dominican Republic and everything down to the bottom there, all the way back to the States every 24 hours. So trips must be cheap during the coronavirus, I guess. Right, let's go and see if the airports on the moon are active. Well, I'll tell you what, see that triangular object or lines in the center that form a triangular shape? Yeah, we're going to go see that in very close-up magnification. There's no two ways about it. That's all I'm doing. But look what we can see. So we're seeing an object or, setup, whatever it may be. It's on the surface. We're seeing lines, 90-degree angle, corners, and the worst of it, it's dark. So, yeah, dark structuring on the moon absolutely exists, or dark areas that are hidden. It's hidden either by the darkness or by the light. There's no two ways about it, right? Sinus iridum at the end of the promontorium, these are the platformed objects, tunnels, everything's there. Smokes and hazes over all the smaller detailed structures so that everything seems to be like blending in. 237,000 square feet, my friends, 410 kilometers by 265 kilometers. Sinus iridum. So, at that size, how many buildings would be on Earth? 237,000 kilometers. Whoa, right? There'd be a lot of people, right, living in that area if, of course, it was, inhabited. Look at the surface levels and objects. Aside from that, UFOs, anomalies roaming around on the surface. Clear proof that there's a fog or haze or clouds up there that are actually, that's just a simple way, right, that they are hiding the surface from us. That's the only logic I can see. Whether the smoke or haze was naturally there or not, it doesn't matter. It's still hiding the surface. And there are objects underneath. Don't forget, the only reason you're not seeing the names of all the contributors at the end of this video is that I'm waiting for the booster box so that these videos in 4K can upload faster. No worries, I'll get the names back up. I appreciate them.